We have 2 more roasters left. Let's get into the next one. Our next guest coming up, I thought was actually here to sell hot dogs during the show, is jschlatt.
Hey guys. I actually didn't read a single message Cutie Cinderella sent me. So I actually had no idea that I was supposed to come up with jokes. But I have 7 minutes up here.
They fucking love him! No. Yeah! Did I take a fucking bathroom break?
Yeah.
No, dude, don't do this to me. Iconic.
Drink the water again.
That was my fault.
Shit.
What? Jealous. No. Oh, no! He wasn't lying. I thought he was lying.
No, if you wanted to know why I'm doing this, it's because I told Mizkif that my bit for the roast was to do nothing. But he stole the idea just like everything else. So
Yeah, that was pretty good.
between then and now, I wrote down some actual jokes. Ludwig's dad died tragically of alcoholism when he was 10 years old. And that's it. Thank you. Thank you. Sorry about your dad. It's all right, man.